Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is alphabet in picture. In today's session, we will understand different letters in alphabet series. We have total 26 letters. We have total 26 letters in the alphabet series. Let's start understanding the letters and revising, recognizing. Let's start the session. First, our letter is letter A. Letter A. This is letter A. A apple. A aeroplane. A ant. Our first letter is letter A. A sounds A. A sounds A. A apple. A aeroplane. A ant. Let us now understand how to write letter A. This is our cursive A. This is cursive A, capital cursive A and small cursive A. Let us now understand how to write it. First, you have to start from this point. Start writing like this. Now, in the middle, make curve like this. This is your capital cursive A. Capital cursive A. Now let's understand how to write small a. You have to start from this point, go to this point, come back and make small a like this. This is capital cursive A. This is small cursive A. A sounds A. A sounds A. Now, let us understand next letter, and the next letter of the alphabet series is letter B. B says bat. B butterfly. B balloon. B bat. B butterfly. B balloon. A के बाद आता है letter B. B sounds B. B bat, B butterfly, B balloon. Now let us understand how to write letter B. This is our capital cursive B, small cursive B. Capital cursive B, small cursive B. Let us understand how to write it. First, start from this point, make a standing line, curve it and make two curves like this. These are cursive letters because more curved lines are used to form these letters. इनको cursive letters हम इसीलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इनमें curved lines का use ज़्यादा होता है. It makes our writing beautiful. Let us understand how to write small b. Start from this point. Come down, make a curve and like this. This is small cursive B. This is capital cursive B. B sounds B. B sounds B. Let us move forward to our next letter, which is letter C. C cat. C cake. C cup. B के बाद comes up C. C cat, C cake, C cup. Cat, cake, cup. So many objects with letter C. This is letter C, which says K. C cat, cake, cup. Now let's move to the written part, cursive C. These are cursive C's. Capital C, small c. For capital C, you have to make a curve starting like this, going up and coming back to down. This is capital cursive C. Similarly, you have to make small c, small cursive c, just in small size. Yes, this is your small c, cursive letters. This is called as cursive letter. This is capital cursive C. This is small cursive C. C, cat. C, cake. C, cup. You know what comes after C? Yes, after C comes letter D. D, doll. D, dog. D, drum. D, doll. D, dog. D, drum. This is letter D. This is letter D. After C comes letter D. D, doll. D, dog. D, drum. D, drum. Now it's time to understand how to write letter D. For letter D, it looks like this. This is capital cursive D. This is small cursive D. Capital cursive D, small cursive D. You have to start from a standing line, make a curve, take it upwards and close it like this. This is capital cursive D. Capital cursive D. This is small cursive D. Small cursive D. Small cursive D, capital cursive D. D sounds D. D sounds D. This is letter D, the fourth letter of the alphabet series, which comes after C. Comes after C. A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D. That's all, students, for today's session of Alphabet in Pictures. We will understand the further letters of alphabets in further session.